Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. So I've done a little bit of work. It's been a couple of weeks and I've done a little bit of work on some dolls. I'm doing sort of two collections at the moment. So I've done a little bit of work on the Japanese collection, so I'll show you what I've done so far. I've done one white Inari fox. It's over there. I have to dig it out, but that one is coming up, and it's white and it's got like red designs on it. And I've worked on another one which I'm not really happy with, so I'm going to pull it all apart and do something different with it. So I'm just going to take the faux fur off and repaint some things because it didn't really turn out how I wanted to. It just looks messy and I don't like it. So it was meant to be like a verdigris statue of an Inari fox, but it just didn't turn out how I wanted it to. So that's what we have, and I'm going to pull it all apart and I'm going to do a design that I've done previously but on a different sculpt. I'm going to do grey faux fur and like a crackle effect on the top, and I'm going to add some moss on it throughout, and I'll probably do like the red, I forgot what they're called, the red sash thing that they put on. So yeah, I'm going to pull this all apart because I don't like it and redo it all, and I'll probably do a needle felted body for this one anyway, because it's just not working how I wanted it to. So that's the update on that one. That kind of disaster, but that's fine. I'm looking forward to working with the moss anyway, because I really liked the way that design turned out, and I haven't done like a crackle effect in a while, so I'll do a little video on how I do the crackle effect. And I've been working on the nekomata. So I've just finished applying the faux fur to the feet, and it's just drying at the moment, and then I will go ahead and add the splotch designs on it. So I need to clean it up a little bit, so I'm just letting it dry first, and then I'll give it a little bit of a trim on the feet, and yeah, so that's the face. And I need to just do some touch-ups on the face as well, because once you apply the faux fur it sort of gets washed out a little bit, so I need to fix that up a little bit, but I will let that dry for now. And I'm going to be doing like a calico colour, so it will have black and orange splotches on it, and that will turn out really cool because I've been wanting to do that for a while, and I sort of went for a different face than just a regular looking cat. So I sort of took some inspiration from the woodblock paintings of the nekomatas, and my phoenix is still sitting here. I bought some, I wanted to use some sequin fabric, but I wanted to do a green, and I can't find the green unless I buy it online. I can't find the green that I want, so and the sort of style that I want. So I've got red one or white, but white's no go. So I've got red, and I can do red, but it's not what I wanted to do. But yeah, that's the phoenix design. So I do need to paint all that up, but I haven't painted it yet because I haven't decided 100% what color I want to do. So if I can't find a green sequin fabric, then I'm just gonna have to go with the red, which is not too bad, but I can add green to the wings, but it's not really, a lot of the wood blocks, they're green. So yes, I mean, it's not terribly bad, but it's just not what I wanted to do. The oni I've got ready to paint. I need to do some sculpting on the feet and the hands, so feet are ready to go. I am gonna do them out of Cosplay, I think, just so they're a little bit more sturdy, I guess. I don't know, I haven't 100% decided because they're quite big feet, so not sure. And I'm working on a Halloween collection as well, so Halloween dolls will be a little bit cheaper because I'm trying to do them in resin. I just need to find the time and some space to do the resin. So I hope, I've got one finished, which is good. I hope to have, I think 4. Yeah, 4 dolls. One is a bone bat, which I can show you. Look, on wings. The wings have bone structure in there, like so. The face is like a skull. I've added some little detailing here and just a bit more black around the eyes and the nose. But and I've done some needle felting on the body for the bone structure, which that's obviously took the longest, but you can see I gave it a little trim as well. You can see the bone structure in there. And on the feet we have some bones as well. And I've only done it on one side because I wanted it to sort of look like a regular bat, and then you turn it around, it's a bone bat. So that's one done. So I'll need to take some photos of that one. The other 3, one is a raccoon, and I'm kind of tossing up between the raccoon and a rat. I want to do like a pumpkin head, and like a removable pumpkin head, and I can't really decide if I want to do the rat or the raccoon, so I'm gonna go to a craft store and see if they've got some like plastic pumpkins that I'm gonna modify instead of like sculpting a huge pumpkin head, because I want the nose to come through where the pumpkin nose is. So I will go there and see how big it is and see which doll sort of suits it. So I'm tossing up between the pumpkin head one and a ghost one, so either one's going to be a ghost or a pumpkin head. So I kind of wanted to have a sheet to put over it as well with the nose coming through. So I'm thinking I don't know, maybe I don't know, I have to have a look how big it is. It's either the rat or the raccoon because they're both sort of cheeky, I guess. And the other one is a black cat, just a black cat. On the ghost one I wanted to have like a little bucket, like a Halloween bucket. And yeah, the black cat has orange eyes, and I'm thinking wings, like small little black wings, but I'm not sure, haven't 100% decided on that yet. But yeah, it'd be kind of cute to have a little cat with wings, I guess. See how that goes. I sort of wanted a cute sort of one. But yeah, still playing around. I don't know if I'm going to have it finished by Halloween though, so we'll see how we go. And you know, they're resin dolls, so they I don't need to sculpt the pieces, I just need to cast them, which is kind of, it takes a couple of hours to do, to like finish the casting, but once they're done, like I've got a whole heap of things that I can put together. It's really just doing the bodies left, but we'll see how we go. Probably, I don't know, might not be able to get 4 of them done, but I've got 1 done so far, so that's good. Anyway, I'll probably leave it there. I've been rambling for a bit too much, and I will continue working on some of the dolls that I've got going on, a million of them, and I'll catch up with you at the end of the vlog and see what I've done. guys, I'm going to end the vlog here. I have another one coming up. I need to edit them, so there's a lot of content coming, but I'll just show you what I did for this week. I pretty much finished, well, I did finish the bone bat. So the bone bat is available in my shop, creationsnet.com. Payment plans are welcome, so just shoot me a message, give you a little look at it. So we have the bone bat here. So it's got the skull looking thing, the bones in the wings, both wings, and the bones on the legs and on the whole body and feet. So super cute. And he's got like the realistic look on the other side. So yes, bone bat is available, so check that out. You can hang it any which way like this all. Yes, anyway, so that's that. I'm currently working on the next one, which is the ghost raccoon, but I'll update you that in the next vlog. In terms of the Japanese mythology dealio thing, I pulled apart the second kitsune because I wasn't happy with it, so this is what we have now. So back to bare skeleton bones, and I'm going to paint up the face again. I'm going to do it the crackle way, so I'll do a little crackle tutorial, and but I'm going to continue with this little collection once I finish with the Halloween collection. So I've got one more doll to do for the Halloween collection, and then we'll continue with the Japanese collection because I want to do the Oni as well, so I can take my time doing that. I have finished 2 dolls for the Japanese collection. I have 1, 2, 3 more to go. Bubs is waking up. So yeah, I'll pretty much leave it there. I'll do another little intro thing for the next vlog and go and edit this one up. And yeah, so check me out at creationsnet.com. Bone bat is up for sale on there, and yeah, check me out on Patreon, TikTok, and Facebook, Instagram, all that stuff. Check me out on there, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.